Hello students, welcome in the maths class. As we have already discussed the first two types of an AP, that is to find particular term when nth term is given. Second, to find an AP when nth term is given. Today we are going to start with the third and the fourth type, that is to find particular term using general term formula, and next one is to find the number of terms again by using general term formula. Both the types are based on the general term formula. Now students, as we have already done general term formula in 10th standard, so let's recall it. General term formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is a common difference. Now, type 3. To find particular term using general term formula. Example, find the 10th term of AP 5, 7, 9 and so on. Here series is given, we have to find the 10th term. So, as series is given, so we can easily find A and D from the series. Given A is equal to 5, that is the first term. D we can find by subtracting the terms, that is 7 minus 5 or 9 minus 7. It is equal to 2. For 10th term means n is equal to 10. We are having a formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. For 10th term, put the value n is equal to 10, a is equal to 5 and d is equal to 2. Now, we will get 5 plus 10 minus 1, 2. 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 multiply 2. So, it will become 5 plus 18. So, answer is coming out to be 23. Therefore, 10th term of the sequence is 23. Now, similarly, next type is also based on the general term formula, that is to find the number of terms. Number of terms means we have to find the value of n. For example, find the number of terms in the AP 7, 10, 13 and so on 31. We are having a complete series of an AP. First term is given and last term is also given. We have to find the number of terms. Here, first term is A is equal to 7. Here, last term is given. We don't know the number of the term, so suppose that it is equal to 31. Now, D we can easily calculate by subtracting the terms, that is 10 minus 7 or 13 minus 10. So, we get D is equal to 3. Now here Tn is equal to 31 and formula for Tn is a plus n minus 1d. Put the value of Tn, a and d. So it will become 31 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 3. Next, 31 is equal to 7. Here you have to apply the arrow method. So it will become 3n minus 3. Next step, 31 is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3n. Shifting 4 on this side, we get 31 minus 4 is equal to 27 is equal to 3n. On shifting 3, we will get the value of n, that is coming out to be 27 upon 3 is equal to 9. So here number of terms in this AP is 9. Always remember, number of terms can't be negative, can't be zero, can't be fractional. It must be a natural number. Now, let's take one more example. Which term of the sequences 5, 7, 9 and so on is 141? Actually, the second and the third example are of same. They only twisted the statement. Here again, same thing is given. Series is given and last term is given. So it will become A is equal to 5 and last term, which term we have to find, will be considered as Tn. Now D is equal to second term minus first term or third term minus second term. So it will become 7 minus 5 or 9 minus 7. So D is equal to 2. Again, here Tn is given. So apply the formula for Tn, that is A plus n minus 1D. Put the value of Tn, A and D. We get 141 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 2. On applying the arrow method here, we will get 141 is equal to 5 plus 2n minus 2. Next step, 141 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 2n. On shifting 3 to the left hand side, it will become minus. So 141 minus 3 become equal to 138 is equal to 2n. From here we can find the value of n by shifting 2. So we will get the answer n is equal to 69. But here answer will be little different. They asked which term. So we have to write down T69 is equal to 141. Students, today we have discussed the next two types of an AP, and I hope you all have done with the worksheet 1 and 2. And after doing this type, we are able to solve the sums related to the topic. Before starting the worksheets given in the SNAP homework related to this topic, you must go through the links guided in the SNAP homework. Rest we will continue in the next session. Thank you.